PrizePicks Withdrawal failed or not working. If you try to withdraw your winnings from PrizePicks but it's not working, don't worry. Today's tutorial will how to troubleshoot and fix it. Sometimes users face issues when trying to withdraw their funds from PrizePicks. Whether it's a technical glitch or an account related issue, I'll walk you through the most common fixes. First things first, ensure that your withdrawal method is correct and up to date. Sometimes PrizePicks can't process a withdrawal if your payment method details are incorrect or outdated. Go to your account settings and check your payment method, whether it's PayPal, Venmo, or a bank transfer. Make sure everything looks good and there are no errors. PrizePicks has certain minimum withdrawal requirements. For instance, there may be a minimum withdrawal amount that needs to be met before you can withdraw your funds. Double check the withdrawal guidelines in your account and ensure you've met the minimum amount needed to withdraw your winnings. Now, occasionally there may be system-wide issues affecting withdrawals. To check, visit PrizePicks official social media accounts or the website for any maintenance updates or known issues. PrizePicks might post updates on ongoing problems, so check those out to see if it's a bigger issue. And there you have it. Try these simple steps and you should be able to fix the withdrawal issue on PrizePicks.